Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a Chanel unboxing. This is an item from my wish list and I cannot tell you guys how excited I am to finally be showing you this. I did actually end up picking this up at the end of 2022, so I have had it for a little while, though I have not worn it yet. If you know my wish list, which I'll link it right up here, you will know exactly what bag this is. At least you will know the color of what bag this is. And I just cannot tell you how happy I am that I found the perfect bag to fill the gap that I needed in my wish list, to just check it right off. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got from Chanel, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like unboxings, you like Chanel, I think this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be. So subscribe if you're not already. That wasn't really English. You should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. We got lots of outfit of the days. I put a lot of reels out, a lot of stuff on my stories. Honestly, it's just a lot. There's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff happening, okay? So you should definitely follow me there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. Isn't she perfect, you guys? Perfect. Excuse me. Calm down. And by the way, yes, I know these earrings are enormous, but I felt like they went with the vibe, okay? So leave me alone. Isn't this the most beautiful yellow shade that you've ever seen in your life? It's like the perfect pastel yellow, and it is in a small size cocoa handle, which you guys know I have been wanting since last year when I sold my all black, so black one. Actually, the stickers are still on this, so maybe you will help me peel them off. Hold on, hold on. Can I grab it? Can I grab it? So like I said, this is the small cocoa handle in caviar with shiny champagne gold hardware. And this is in a pastel yellow color, which is exactly the color that I was dying to get for pretty much the last few months. It's like the color that's been on my wish list. And I am so happy that I found exactly what I wanted and brand new. Literally brand new. There's Mama's tag, and I am just beyond excited that I found this bag. So let me tell you a story. So you guys know I have been looking for a size small cocoa handle, and I've been looking for a yellow bag. So I kind of figured out quickly that I want my yellow bag to be a cocoa handle. You guys know a couple of seasons back there was a mustard yellow cocoa handle that came out. I'll try to insert a picture of the exact shade that I'm talking about here. I do really love mustard yellow, but I just didn't feel like that was gonna scratch the itch, so I passed on it. That yellow was just a little bit like too, I don't know, it was a little bit too much. I wasn't a fan. I went to the pre-loved market and I just looked everywhere for a yellow cocoa handle, which by the way is harder than it seems, okay? It is hard. It's not that easy. I did end up finding, like I said, that mustard one, but I also found a bright, like almost highlighter yellow cocoa handle, and I'll leave a picture of that one that I found. And I was really close to pulling the trigger on this one, even though it wasn't exactly the shade that I wanted. You guys know I was looking for a pastel yellow. This one definitely is not a pastel yellow. It's much more of like a highlighter, almost green yellow. I just didn't feel like my heart was in it, and I didn't like the fact that this one comes with the like antique yellow gold hardware. So I passed on that one. And I found this one on Julia Rose Boston. I will link it in the description box. You guys, incredible, especially for Hermes bags. If you are looking for an Hermes bag on the pre-loved market, they have all of them. They have literally all of them. Usually they post everything that's available on their stories. I don't think this one was even posted on their stories. I was just going through their website and I just saw it and was like, what? It was brand new in box. Obviously you saw it comes with absolutely everything, and I just couldn't. This one does have the plate, by the way, because like I said, this is from 22p. So this is the now mini, used to be extra mini, and then this is the small, used to be mini. I'm actually going to do a comparison video of the two sizes very soon. I just filmed a comparison video of two other bags. Stay tuned for that, but maybe a little bit after that one. It's coming soon. It's on its way. I was shocked how fast I got this. I ordered it probably right before Christmas. Probably not even a week before Christmas, and I had it by Christmas. So this was technically my Christmas gift to myself. Merry Christmas, girl. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my newest purchase, my newest Chanel bag. I am just over the moon, starting the year off real strong, but I mean, we are in a low buy year. I did mention that this was 100% gonna happen this year, and that may or may not have been because I already had it, but this is pretty much one of the only handbag purchases that I plan on making this year. But yeah, this is my newest handbag. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this color, about this bag, about this size, about anything. Let me know what you think. But that's all that I have to say for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, I have to do mod shots, but I'm wearing pajama pants. So what should I do there? Should I change? I should change. I'm gonna have to change, I guess. Damn it.